Have you ever wondered what makes Montenegro a must-visit destination? In the heart of the Balkan Peninsula lies an enchanting land, a place where the mountains meet the sea, where history and nature intertwine in a beautiful symphony. Welcome to Montenegro, a country that exudes a charm of its own. Montenegro might be small in size, but its beauty is boundless. With its prime location in Southeast Europe, Montenegro is a melting pot of diverse cultures, influenced by the Greeks, Romans, Ottomans, Venetians, and more. Each civilization has left its mark, shaping the rich history and heritage that Montenegro proudly showcases today. Montenegro's landscapes are a spectacle to behold. The rugged mountains, dusted with snow in the winter and lush with greenery in the summer, stand tall, whispering tales of the past. They cradle medieval villages that time seems to have forgotten, each one a testament to a bygone era. Each cobblestone street, each stone-built house, each ancient church narrates a story waiting to be discovered. Then there's the Adriatic coastline, a picture-perfect stretch of narrow beaches, turquoise waters, and quaint seaside towns. It's a slice of paradise on earth, a place where you can lose track of time as you soak in the sun, dive into the crystal-clear waters, or simply enjoy a leisurely stroll along the beach, with the sea breeze gently rustling your hair. But the charm of Montenegro goes beyond its landscapes and history. It's in the warmth of its people, their hospitality, and their zest for life. It's in the melodies of their folk music that fill the air, the vibrant festivals that color the streets, and the tantalizing aroma of their traditional cuisine that wafts from the kitchens. In Montenegro, every moment is an experience, every sight a postcard-perfect frame, and every encounter a cherished memory. It's a place that captivates the heart, stirs the soul, and ignites the wanderlust in you. Before we get started, embark on a journey of discovery and adventure with us. Subscribe to our travel channel today and let's explore the world together. Now let's dive into the main highlights of this breathtaking country. Montenegro is a treasure trove of stunning destinations. Let's start to uncover them. First on our list is the Bay of Kotor, a winding bay of crystal-clear water surrounded by rugged mountains. Nestled at the edge of this bay is the medieval town of Kotor, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Walking through its narrow cobblestone streets, you'll feel like you've stepped back in time. The town's well-preserved architecture, coupled with the breathtaking natural landscape, makes it an absolute must-visit. And don't forget to hike up to the fortress of San Giovanni for an unforgettable panoramic view of the bay. Moving on, we have the Budva Riviera, the heart of Montenegro's tourism. This region is famous for its beautiful beaches, vibrant nightlife, and the historic old town of Budva. With its Venetian stone walls and ancient buildings, Budva's old town offers a peek into the country's rich history. But it's not all about the past. The Budva Riviera also boasts some of the most luxurious resorts in the country, making it a popular spot for visitors seeking both relaxation and excitement. Next up, we head inland to the Durmitor National Park. This park is a paradise for nature lovers, offering a diverse landscape of towering peaks, deep canyons, and serene lakes. The park's centerpiece is the Black Lake, a stunning body of water surrounded by dense pine forests. Durmitor is also home to Europe's deepest gorge, the Tara River Canyon. Whether you're into hiking, bird watching, or whitewater rafting, Durmitor National Park caters to all sorts of outdoor enthusiasts. Let's not forget about Lake Skadar, the largest lake in the southern Europe. Almost two-thirds of this lake lies within Montenegro's borders, and it's a haven for wildlife. Home to over 260 species of birds, Lake Skadar is a bird watcher's paradise. Its picturesque landscapes, dotted with lily pads and framed by distant mountains, are sure to leave you in awe. Lastly, we visit the Ostrog Monastery, one of the most important Orthodox Christian sites in the world. Carved into a nearly vertical cliff, this monastery is a marvel of architecture and a place of pilgrimage for people from all walks of life. The journey up to the monastery is an adventure in itself, but the panoramic view from the top, coupled with the sense of peace and spirituality, makes it all worth it. These are just a few of the incredible spots to visit in Montenegro, but the country has much more to offer. Stay tuned as we continue to explore the rich culture, delicious cuisine, and hidden gems of this captivating country. Montenegro is waiting for you to discover its treasures, so why not start planning your trip today? You won't regret it. One can't speak about Montenegro without mentioning its mouth-watering cuisine. Nestled in the heart of the Balkans, Montenegro's cuisine is a delightful fusion of Mediterranean and Eastern European flavors, offering a gastronomic experience as diverse and vibrant as its landscape. Every bite tells a story of tradition, culture, and the love Montenegrin have for their land and its bountiful produce. Let's start with Njeguški steak, a dish that has truly captured the essence of Montenegro. It's a succulent pork or veal steak stuffed with Njeguški cheese and prosciutto, named after the village of Njeguši. This delectable dish is a testament to the region's rich livestock heritage, offering a taste that's as hearty as the Montenegrin spirit. Then there's kakamak, a humble yet comforting dish, often hailed as the national dish of Montenegro. Made from a mixture of potatoes, cornmeal, and cheese, kakamak is a warm, creamy delight. It's a testament to the simplicity and resourcefulness of Montenegrin cuisine, using ingredients that are readily available and turning them into something truly comforting and delicious. But let's not forget the burek, a flaky, buttery pastry filled with cheese, spinach, or meat. Burek is a beloved breakfast staple in Montenegro, with its origins tracing back to the Ottoman Empire. It's a symbol of the cultural crossroads that Montenegro sits at, bringing together the best of Eastern and Mediterranean culinary traditions. In Montenegro, meals are not just about feeding the body, but also about nourishing the soul. The cuisine here is deeply tied to the land, with fresh, locally sourced ingredients playing a starring role. From the succulent meats, the fresh dairy products, to the bounty of fruits and vegetables, Montenegrin cuisine is a testament to the country's rich, fertile landscapes. Whether you're dining in a rustic konoba, a traditional Montenegrin tavern, or a modern city restaurant, you'll find a culinary scene that's deeply rooted in tradition, yet not afraid to innovate and evolve. So, if you're a food lover with a penchant for discovering new flavors, or simply someone who appreciates good, hearty meals, Montenegro's cuisine is sure to captivate your palate. Montenegrin cuisine is a culinary journey you wouldn't want to miss. Montenegro isn't just about natural beauty. It's also rich in culture and traditions. This is a place where the old and new coexist, where centuries-old traditions are part of the everyday life, and where every corner has a story to tell. The cultural experiences that one can enjoy in Montenegro are as diverse as its landscapes. One of these is the traditional music and dance performances. Montenegro is home to a variety of musical styles, each with its own unique rhythm, melody, and instruments. The traditional dances, on the other hand, are a sight to behold. Local festivals are another highlight of the cultural scene. These events are a celebration of Montenegrin traditions, history, and heritage. They feature everything from dance and music performances to traditional games and competitions. And let's not forget about the markets. These bustling places are where the locals shop for fresh produce, homemade goodies, and traditional crafts. A stroll around a local market is a sensory experience, with the sights, sounds, and smells all contributing to the vibrant atmosphere. But perhaps the most endearing aspect of Montenegrin culture is the warm hospitality of its people. Montenegrins are known for their friendly and welcoming nature. They are always ready to share a cup of coffee, a story, or a piece of advice, making visitors feel right at home. These cultural experiences are what truly make a trip to Montenegro memorable. They provide a deeper understanding of the country, its people, and its way of life, enriching the travel experience in a way that no picture or guidebook ever could. So, why should Montenegro be on your travel bucket list? Let's take a quick recap. Montenegro, a small country packed with grandeur, a place where you can witness the majesty of the Adriatic coast, the ruggedness of the Durmitor mountain ranges, and the tranquility of Skadar Lake, all within a day's travel. And let's not forget the historic treasures. The Venetian fortresses of Kotor, the royal capital of Cetinja, the UNESCO-listed Old Town of Budva, each narrating a fascinating tale of the past. Then there's the gastronomic journey. From the hearty meat dishes of the north to the fresh seafood of the coast, every bite is a celebration of Montenegro's diverse culinary heritage. But what truly sets Montenegro apart is its rich culture, the warmth of its people, their traditional music and dance, the vibrant festivals, all make for an immersive experience that you just cannot miss. Indeed, Montenegro is a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. So, when are you planning your visit? Let us know what you think in the comments below. Until then, happy travels.